Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Alibaba detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect with Alibaba, start by visiting the Alibaba website. Once the home page loads, locate the Join Free button at the top right corner. Click on this button to create your account. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After filling in your email, create a strong password. Make sure your password meets the security requirements listed. Select your country or region from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will receive a verification email shortly. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Alibaba homepage and log in with your new credentials. After logging in, explore the different categories available. Use the search bar to find specific products or suppliers. Filter your search results by options such as location, supplier type, or transaction level. When you find a product of interest, click on the listing to view more details. Contact the supplier through the chat now or contact supplier options. Prepare your questions or requests for clarification. Follow up promptly to keep the conversation active. If you are interested in larger orders, consider requesting a sample. Check the supplier's ratings and reviews to ensure reliability. Once satisfied, negotiate terms such as price, minimum order quantity, and shipping. Finalize your order by selecting a secure payment method. Monitor the order status through your Alibaba account dashboard. Keep in communication with the supplier until the product arrives.